Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a sketch to real video effects for your videos. All you have to do to create this particular effect, or if you don't know what this effect is, it means that you can sketch something and then you can see what this guy sketched or this person sketched, and it was brought to reality. So all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, and on the website select apps, then scroll and choose sketch to real, then upload your sketch to this area here. Then you can generate an image. Then this will just give a static image of your sketch brought to life. Or you can make a video by switching this to a video and then hitting generate video. Now once you hit the generate video will be brought to life by with the Higgsfield AI, and within 15 to 20 minutes your video should be ready for download. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.